Hey everybody, a quick video today on grinders because I have worn out my DeWalt. This is a 28402. I rebuilt the paddle switch, cleaned it all out, put it back together, and now it sounds like the head's gear may be stripped or needs grease, so I got to take it all apart. And I've already taken it apart once, so if I do it the second time, that means that I'm pretty close to just about wearing it out. So I went ahead and got the 2-pack to replace it. And what I'm hoping is the 412 and the old 28402 are similar enough that the parts are interchangeable. And I'm going to keep with this model, and then I'm going to start a parts bin, because I do go through them. I'm pretty rough on them. If you've seen some of the carving videos, the woodworking, stoneworking, and metalworking, this little grinder, it made its money for me. I mean, I got to tell you, I'm pretty rough on it, and it's, I don't know, maybe 4 years old now, and it's had a lot of work. It's been overtaxed for sure. So the 2-pack was about $100. And that's going to be really cool because I can switch out my grinders now, one for stone cutting, and then one for metal work, and then maybe I'll get one more for woodworking, and that way I just don't have a bunch of heavy bits and blades in each box that I'm not going to use while I'm on a job. But I do like DeWalt, and it's time tested and true. And I'm hoping that they are keeping the cases close so that as I wear them out, you know, then now I'll have like extra cords in case they get cut, paddle switches, motors, brushes, guards, heads, everything, you know. So this one's pretty cool. The new ones, this guard is a no tool guard, and you can just swivel it, so that's kind of nice because I don't like really sticking my hands in there. I'm trying to get the flip tab that's on this old one. Hopefully this doesn't become a problem down the road, but like I said, I really like them and I've beat them up. This is the 7-inch from DeWalt, and it's nice. It takes a lot of material. Right now we just did some metal work, so we were grinding down some ground spots for the clamps and some welds, but it should have this on there, but I need to get it in a tight spot. That's the guard with the cheap little Velcro disc. This thing eats some wood, and with the additional vacuum pack, you can put the shop vac on it and keep your site decently clean. But this has been a good workhorse already. It's done some pretty serious concrete cutting and some metal cutting and whatnot. And then I picked this up. I got a good deal on this, and having a bench grinder is one of those things where you can get by without, but when you have it, it makes life a hell of a lot better. And it's great to have for quick sharpening jobs that you need a true edge, and you don't want to have to try to hold something while you're doing that with the big grinder. And the whole reason behind this is I went through 2 more grinders on an old video. I'm going to go back and say I do not recommend getting it. I picked up a water-fed grinder. And the only difference to the water-fed grinder is the head. It has a through pipe that hooks up to the water, and it polishes, or it lubricates your pads while you're polishing stone. I'm trying to find a piece or a case that the head can mount to, because this was just a piece of crap. The motor burnt up. I had to switch the valve out. That broke. The quick connect does not work. It needs to be hard piped to a hose. So hopefully this head will be interchangeable. And I started picking up some cases, and we'll see if they fit on any other manufacturer. So like, here's the motor for a Harbor Freight, and then here's the insides of the guts. So I'm going to troll DeWalt a little bit and see why they don't sponsor our channel. What's up? DeWalt. Got a lot of stuff here, but I do stand behind it because I'm rough on my stuff and I need these tools to work for me and make me money. So that's it for now. I'm gonna get these things assembled and in their toolboxes so I can finish some products and get them out of here. So anyway, that's a quick little what's up with the grinders and why I'm on hold for right now, but we'll get back on it today and tomorrow and get the bottleneck cleared up. But anyway, that's my 2 cents, y'all. All right, keep watching. We'll get some really good videos up once the computer's built. Peace.